GMC Acadia 2012. Let's get this oil change going. So you can see here, there's not a lot of room to work or do anything. And can't really see it. There it is. There's the oil filter. Okay, boys and girls, always remember safety first. I'm only going to use one. That's stupid. Don't be stupid like me. Use two. And keep tension on this also. So if any one of these fail, hopefully the car will catch you and not your noggin. Because car to the noggin of your dome, that's the sayonara to the graveyard, my friends. What you're gonna need: oil filter, oil, a 13mm oil wrench, and a oil drain pan. So around the passenger side of the automobile here, this again is a 2012 GMC Acadia, and your oil pan will be here. And your drain bolt will be right behind here. There she blows. Now before you go dumping oil all over your mama's driveway and get messed up more than Mike Tyson's gonna mess up Jake Paul, slide in your oil drain pan to catch all the oil in here and save you an ass whooping from your mama. Before draining the oil, take your oil cap off. I like to set it right here. That way you can't forget when you go to close your hood up when the job's all done. It's staring you in the face. 15mm. Okay, stop it, remember. So another thing you do when you get your drain plug out, you want to look at it, wipe it off with a rag, wipe this end off here. Look over, you can see it's kind of getting rounded off there. Might be a good indication to replace it, but you should be fine now. Check your threads. They look good. Another thing you want to do is when you're looking this over, I don't know if this one is, but you can get magnetic ends. And if it catches anything that looks like sparkle, shiny stuff, indication you have metal shavings in your oil, it's time to get this to a mechanic ASAP, because there's metal on metal contact in the motor somewhere. While you're waiting for your oil to drain, now would be a good time to top off any other fluids. That's the coolant, and over here is your washer fluid. Okay, you can see we're done emptying the oil in the vehicle. We're down to a small drip now. Kind of clean off the mess you spilled. Now we're going to be putting back in the washer for the plug, drain plug. There's no good way to do this. Next thing you're going to want to do is prime your filter. And what I mean by that is pour a little bit of oil in your filter and rub some around this ring here. We got her all primed up. Let's do our ring. Okay, so the oil change is successfully completed. You let it run for a little bit, let the new oil circulate through. Now it's time to reset that annoying change engine oil soon. Which here, you're gonna hit it This car needs gas. Gonna push it. Odometer, trip, engine life. 100% remaining. You just hold it until it says that, and you should be good.